Greetings. Today we are going to be talking about the grand staff. This is the grand staff. We are going to talk about each and every component and piece of the grand staff. The staff is the foundation upon which notes are drawn. The modern staff comprises of 5 lines and 4 spaces. We have 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Every line or space on the staff represents a white key on the keyboard. Every line and space represents one of the white keys on the keyboard. Clefs assign individual notes to certain lines or spaces. These are called clefs. 2 clefs are normally used, the treble clef and the bass clef. First, we will discuss the treble clef, also called the G clef. The staff line which the clef wraps around, see right here, it goes whoop, and it wraps around this line, G, shown in red. Any note placed on this line becomes G and sounds like this. The note on the space above the G is A and sounds like this. Now notice that we are going up, but we did not go from G to H. There is no H note. It goes all the way back to A. The note following A is B. And then the process continues all the way up to C. Well, we'll take a high. C, D, E, F, and G. But wait, we got up here and there are no more lines. What happens now? Now we are going to introduce ledger lines. This is a ledger line. It is a small line that extends the staff when we run out of room. With the ledger line drawn, we can place the A. So you see here that when we got to G, we went back to A. Just like the days of the week. When we get to Saturday at the end, we go back to Sunday. So in the same manner, when you get to the G note, you go back to A. All right, now we've discussed the treble clef. Now let's discuss the bass clef, also called the F clef. The staff line in between the 2 dots, 1, 2, this line, noted in red, is the F note, and it sounds like this. We can now fill in the rest of all the notes. G, A, F, and notice that each note is moving from line to space, line to space, line to space, line to space, line to space. Now we are at the grand staff, a theoretical staff consisting of 11 lines. But watch what happens when we eliminate the middle line. We end up with 2 regular staffs, 1, 2. By adding a treble clef and a bass clef, we can see the relationship between the 2 staffs. The treble clef goes on the top and the bass clef goes on the bottom. Notice how the 2 clefs are joined by the C, shown in red. This is called middle C. And it corresponds to the middle staff line on the grand staff. Now we have discussed the staff, the clefs, and ledger lines and middle C. Thank you for watching.